What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to do a coffee grinder. I can't do it as well, but this is what it's supposed to look like. I can kind of do it, and I'm going to show you how to. So first you're going to start like this, and then you're going to swing, and then like till you get to here, and then you're going to just jump straight out with the same foot that was out here, and you just go like this, then jump out, and then that's basically the 2 steps, and then make it a little bit faster each time until you can do it. So yeah, guys, bye-bye.